Let's focus on the G sound that can be heard in the beginning and end of words like in gig and in the middle of words like in slugger. To make the G sound, keep your teeth a little apart. Place the back of your tongue against the back part of the roof of your mouth. The middle part of your tongue should feel like a bowl. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. G, G, G. Now you try to say the G sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter G is a consonant that makes the voiced G sound, like in the word gig. You'll use the G sound when decoding a word with the letter G. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the G sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter G makes the G sound. G, I, G, gig. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word gig. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant G, which makes the G sound.